Hey everyone, I hope you're doing good. In this video, we're going to discover how to gain access to the Amazon SP API. So let's just quickly jump into the Amazon Service Central. As you can see here, on this menu, you need to get to this apps and services, and over here you need to click the develop apps. And then when you get to this page, in my case, although I've already created these APIs, but you have to create a new app client. So by clicking this button, you're going to get to this page. You can name it anything, like in my case I'll just do it testing YouTube, and I'm going to select this SP API, and then you can select the roles for which you want to fetch the data. So in my case, I'm just randomly selecting. In your case, you can just select all of these, and then you can select this one if you're not delegating the access, and if you're delegating the access, you have to select this one, but then you have to choose all of these as well, and as per your needs or as per it's needed. So let's just save and exit, and here we have the testing API created. So over here you can take a look at the client ID and the client secret. You can note both of these down. Alright, by clicking the client secret, you will get to see the secret, and then you can note down the client ID as well, and then you can rotate it as well after every then and now, like whenever you need it, and save both of these with yourself. And after that, if you get to this edit app, you need to authorize before making use of the client ID and the client secret, by the way. So when you get to this page, we had to authorize before, so you need to authorize here with this option. So you're gonna get to this page, and over here, if you are doing it for the European marketplace, you're gonna authorize the app from this button, and if you're doing it for the North American, you're gonna authorize it from this place. So let's authorize the European marketplace, and it's gonna give you the refresh token. So I'm gonna copy it from here, alright, and go back, and since I have the client ID and the client secret with me already, I can make use of these 3 credentials and make use of Python to fetch the data as per my needs. Alright, so that's it. It's pretty much simple compared to the getting access from the Amazon Ads API, but I hope you've understood. It's just a couple of steps, and you can probably do it in under a minute. Alright, if you have any issues, you can just comment down and let me know, and I'll be able to answer it accordingly then.